Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best flower grow kits that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the National Geographic Flower Grow Kit. National Geographic may be an informative and educational channel that adults enjoy watching, but National Geographic also makes kits designed to teach kids basic scientific concepts. Their flower growing kit is one such example, and this particular kit is perfect in the sense that it has pretty much everything you need all in one package. Out of the box, you get pots made out of stainless steel, nasturtium and zinnia seeds, and other gardening tools. One thing worth mentioning is the array of paints and brushes that you get, as well as a few stickers. Your kid can paint and color the stainless steel pots in any way they like, giving them something to do as they wait for the flower seeds to grow. The kit may not be as large as other flowers grow kits, but its informative content, customizable pots, and quality flowers earn it the best overall spot on our list. Moving on. At number 4, we have the BRYTE Products Flower Grow Kit, the best kit to get your kid if you know they have an artistic side to them. The flower seeds included in the kit are marigold, morning glory, and alyssum flowers, and you can get all of them growing fairly quickly. The kit contains a large tin flower planter and 2 figurines that can be painted with provided paints. This means that your child can paint the figurines in any way they wish, unleashing their creativity. The large space provided by the planter as well as the figurines will keep your kid pretty busy for days to come, and you can work with your kid to have some quality bonding time too. My kids had a blast painting their fairies and decorating the flower box, and they love seeing how much their flowers grow each day. The seeds sprouted within a couple days, and the picture I shared is after only a week. It's really been a fun activity that keeps on going. Smiley face. The kit includes some mini gardening tools that are adorable, but you don't actually need them for planting the flowers, so my kids have just been having fun digging with them in our backyard. At number 3, we have the Dan&Darci Flower Grow Kit. Understanding the difference between plants is something that kids can learn at a young age, and this could even be a way to set them up for a career in biology. By helping children understand that there are all kinds of plants out there, with different colors, shapes, and scents, you can spark their sense of wonder and amazement at the world. While you may not get a whole lot of variety of flowers with this set, it's enough to warrant label signs. The label signs provided by this kit are actually unpainted and have no text on them out of the box, so it's either your job or your kids to write down the labels. You can even reuse the labels for other plants if you plan on adding more to the planter in the future. You don't get a whole lot of paint in this particular kit, which is a bit of a bummer, but besides that, it's a great kit. At number 2, we have the Innorock Flower Grow Kit. The best types of flower beds are those with as many different flower species as possible. It makes a sort of beautiful chaos that looks messy at first, but is amazing the more and more you look at it. As this kit contains 4 different flower seeds, your kid will definitely love the variety of flowers, as they each are beautiful in their own way. Other than the seeds, you've got quite a few extra accessories with this kit. There are the paints and brushes, a palette for mixing paints, a set of markers to label the plants, some butterflies on sticks for decoration, and even some simple tools in the form of shovels and a rake. All the flowers will grow very easily on the soil disc provided, and eventually you'll have a beautiful setup that your kids can customize as their very own. And finally, at number 1, we have the Loako Flower Grow Kit. While some of the flower growing kits use a large planter to hold all the flowers in one area, this kit instead comes with 3 different pots that can separate each flower into its own location. This has the advantage of being easier to spread around a room or house, allowing your kid to place each flower wherever they'd like. The kit itself has all the standard stuff you'd expect from a growing kit. You've got paints and a palette with brushes, some labeling markers that aren't painted yet, soil discs, and an instruction manual. The pots also have a saucer that can hold any extra water that may come out when watering the plants. It's a little more difficult to work with than when using a single planter, but your kid will definitely be able to adjust accordingly. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.